The only problem is with the other one, like at my granddaddy's house, when I get in there, I get stuck, and then my granddaddy has to pull me out, and it gets really weird, you know? You think I could fit in here? Oh God. Oh no, I'm stuck. Can you help me? No. I'm stuck in here, ma'am. My arms are stuck. Can you just like... Hello, help! Yes, I'm serious. Can you help?
I can't help you, but
Help! Can you help?
no, I can't help you.
Help! Help me! Help! Help! I'm really claustrophobic! I can't. Can you pull me out?
Yeah. What do you want me to hold you on?
Whatever would help. Oh, fuck. I can't get this.